welcome to our YouTube channel. We are feeling deeply honored by your consistent support and your loyalty to view our channel. After a thorough research and going by the market movement past week from, we have identified some long-term tips for you all. Based on some gold digging and observations made and using our professional insights, we have identified a couple of stocks which haven't recovered despite market improving and give a chance to earn a cool 10 to 100% within a few years' time if market up move sustains. So with that, a very warm welcome to our channel and a special welcome to my next episode of long-term value investing. So मेरे दलाल स्ट्रीट के दोस्तों, if you have liked our all the videos, then please do praise the team in the YouTube comment section. And also in the past week, we have given multiple short-term trading calls which have decent up moves and helped traders earn 5% in a couple of days. If you earn post budget from these tips, kindly use the comment section to praise the team. Also, to understand the video, make sure to view the complete video and do not leave in between to understand better. Do share all my video links in all the social media platforms. Like my video and subscribe to the channel if you want to become my mate in Dalal Street. It's a humble request to you to like all my videos, as more the likes, more the motivation to create videos. So as promised, we are back with a long-term trading tip after doing some great gold digging for you guys. Top short and medium term trading tip for this week is buy Godrej Properties Limited. Buy at CMP rupees 1500, short term target rupees 1600 in a week's time, medium term target rupees 1725 in 6 months, target rupees 2000 in 3 years long term if sales momentum sustains. Fundamental analysis. Godrej Properties Limited GPL, established in 1990, is a pan-India real estate developer focusing mainly on residential development. It has a development portfolio with a significant exposure to key markets of Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune and NCR. Its land bank strategy includes both outright purchase and land and joint agreement with landowners in the form of revenue and profit share. Additionally, it also ties up with developers as a development manager, entailing GPL to earn 10 to 11% of project revenues in lieu of marketing, selling and branding of the project. Key highlights. GPL has a continued scale up in operations through steady new launches and strong sales record in these projects. Post implementation of RERA, opportunities for new projects acquisitions are expected to increase, especially for organized and large developers like GPL. We believe GPL will benefit handsomely from upstick in housing demand and launches, and sale trajectory will be key catalyst. Improvement in demand along with industry consolidation and attractive land prices impart GPL the confidence to continue with its strategy of bulking up its project portfolio in the quest of higher market share. GPL is now planning to launch 14 projects with an area of 8.55 MSF in the near term. The transformative effect of RERA imposition and the changing dynamics of the industry, which is consolidation, are clearly visible looking at the pace of GPL's portfolio expansion. Project addition has moved into a different orbit altogether when one look at the past few years. Another thing that the company has managed well over the past decade is avoiding concentration as far as project addition is concerned. GPL has been able to ensure that various market it is present in have a fair share in the overall development pipeline. Risks: low involvement in certain group MOUs. Rapid pace of portfolio expansion has led to cash flow strain. Now current scenario post this pandemic. Realty firm Godrej Properties will launch 12 housing projects during this quarter to expand business as it targets to clock record sales booking this fiscal year, beating rupees 5,915 crore achieved in 2019 to 2020 despite the COVID-19 pandemic, a top company official has said. In an interview with PTI, Godrej Executive Chairman Piroj Shah Godrej said the residential property market has started to recover from multi-year slowdown, with big developers reporting improvements in their sales numbers. Third quarter, which is October to December, was pretty good. Mixed bag. Accounting numbers did not look great because the number of projects we are going to complete this year will be quite low due to 6 months of construction in view of lockdown, Piroj Shah said. The operating performance was quite strong as a sales booking in the third quarter were just under rupees 1,500 crore, up 25% year on year and 38% quarter on quarter, he highlighted. For the first 9 months of this fiscal, he said sales booking grew 16%, which is pretty good number given all the craziness of this year. According to an investor presentation, the company's sale booking rose 25% to rupees 1,488 crore. In the first 9 months of 2020 to 2021 fiscal, sales booking were up 16% at 4,093 crore. In full 2019 to 2020 fiscal year, the company posted a record sales booking of rupees 5,915 crore, highest among listed realty firms. Piroj Shah highlighted that sales collection from customer in quarter 3 was higher than the first 2 quarters combined. Overall, we are feeling very optimistic. The sector has started to turn. We are seeing good numbers in our sales, but equally and importantly, most of the leading developers have now reported uptick. That's good to see, he observed. Asked whether sales booking would be higher than the last fiscal, Piroj Shah said, yes, that's almost for sure. We will definitely grow bookings over the last year. Whether it is 5 to 10% or 15 to 20, we will have to see. Starting the fourth quarter of last fiscal was best ever quarter in the company history with over rupees 2,300 crore of sales booking. He said, so we have little bit of strong base to deal with, but we actually do think we will break that record of highest ever booking this quarter. Piroj Shah said the company has planned about 12 launches, including 4 to 5 new projects and rest new phases in existing projects. If most of these go through, we should see blockbuster quarter, he said. On land bank, Piroj Shah said the company will definitely continue to acquire new projects. We do have a strong land bank and we do think we can grow rapidly even without further project execution. But we think it is very interesting time in the sector, as he was quoted. So going by the positive management commentary and the reality boom, for the better developers, things are looking great. They are all set for blockbuster quarters in terms of sales and launches. It seems the best quarter ever is coming up now in quarter 4 of financial year 2021, with company expecting record sales number. Technical analysis. The stock has recovered from the pandemic lows of 505 and is showing consistent support at the lower end of the trend line, and with record breaker better results, the company is performing well on the bourses, with the stock prices in a consistent trend line hitting the support and resistance on a routine basis. So one needs to accumulate at 1500 to 1675 to 1725 levels by the end of next quarter and hope for a rise of 20% to 1875 in a year's time frame. The company is on an expansion mode and is looking to cash in on the momentum for sales created due to record low borrowing rates and government stamp duty cuts, along with easily available property construction regulatory approvals. It's a stock that is a medium beta counter, and the medium term RSI and MACD are also in bullish zone as expected. The stock has corrected from 1546 to 1500 levels and is the reason the stock has reached the lower end of the trend line and therefore presents a buying opportunity, and one can consider buying at current levels and exciting part of the investment for 5% gains maybe in 5 to 7 days depending on market movement. If market goes up or if this lockdown rumor goes away, then there are chances this stock giving good short-term returns. The stock gives a stable return over a year-on-year basis, so anyone needing to play short-term can take advantage of 5 to 7 rupee price movement and take intraday or 2 to 3 day trades with a capital of 3 lakh to begin with and buy at 1500 and sell for rupees 1575 to 1600 for a cool gain of 10,000 bucks in a mere 2 to 3 days time frame. That's the advantage of low to medium beta stock. Godrej has built a trustworthy brand and generated great projects for the customers. It delivers the project on time. It's a cash-rich company and gets easier access to funds. My suggestion will be to buy some capital for short term around 50% and some capital for long term 50% to make a cool consistent gains. So guys, buy Godrej Properties Limited at CMP rupees 1500 for a target of rupees 1625 short term and rupees 2000 in 36 months time frame. Short term trade opportunities are for buying at 1550 and selling at 1650. Future traders can also consider buying the stock taking off a mini inverted head and shoulder pattern getting formed and can consider buying it for a short-term trade with a strict stop loss of rupees 1495. So let's hope you are liking all our earlier videos. Also, our video on Hero MotoCorp was amazing with the traders making big gains due to the great up move in the stock price. The shares of Hero MotoCorp Limited were recommended at 3,280 bucks merely a fortnight ago, and now the prices had hit 3,550 just last week before correction to 3,350 to 3,400 levels due to this lockdown rumor. So that gave a cool 7% gain to my listeners in just 10 days. I hope these videos build trust among the YouTubers for the stock market and the people raising their risk appetite. So continue buying after doing some thorough analysis and generating self-insights to earn in this market, which is unpredictable and requires a lot of discipline, time and focus to take a position or trade or investment. As said, concentration is mother of all the success. This market demands just that. So guys, be prepared for risk and uncertainties, but if calculated risk is taken, then one can make 5 to 10 trades also per year and make a big profit, about $1 million, enough to meet his annual expenses. So keep at it and keep growing in experience and learn from past losses and earn. So guys, that's it for today. Kindly like all my videos and also comment on the budget day video of option buying if you made about ₹1 lakh. We'll be back with mind-blowing technical analysis and the very best of Hum Do Hamare Do season. So till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.